Hello everyone, welcome to Viha Tech Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn about ChatGPT and how it is used in the IT industry. If you are a student, fresher or someone preparing for a software job, this session will help you understand how AI can make your work easier and faster. Let's get started. In this session, we will learn what ChatGPT is, how it works, and why IT companies use it. We will also see how developers, testers, cloud engineers, and DevOps engineers use ChatGPT in their daily work. Finally, we will learn prompt engineering, best practices, and the limitations of ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? It is an artificial intelligence chatbot created by OpenAI. It understands human language and gives answers just like a human assistant. You can ask questions, write code, explain difficult topics, generate documents, and even fix programming errors. For example, if you ask what is Java, ChatGPT will explain Java in simple language with examples. What does GPT mean? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative means it can create new content. Pre-trained means it has already learned from a large amount of information. Transformer is the AI technology that helps ChatGPT understand and generate human language. How ChatGPT works? When you type a question, it is called a prompt. ChatGPT first understands your question, then it uses its trained knowledge to generate the best possible answer. Finally, it shows the response in just a few seconds. The better your prompt, the better the answer. Why IT companies use ChatGPT? Many IT companies use ChatGPT because it saves time and improves productivity. Instead of spending hours searching online, developers can get quick answers. It also helps write code, explain errors, create documentation, and improve software quality. ChatGPT in software development. Software developers use ChatGPT every day. It helps generate code, explain algorithms, create APIs, and solve programming problems. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write a Java program or explain how binary search works. ChatGPT for Java developers. If you are a Java developer, ChatGPT can generate Java classes, explain object-oriented programming concepts, create Spring Boot APIs, and help fix Java errors. It also explains difficult topics like collections, streams, and multithreading. ChatGPT for Python developers. Python developers use ChatGPT to write scripts, automate tasks, perform data analysis, and build web applications using Flask. It also explains libraries like Pandas and NumPy with simple examples. ChatGPT for web development. Web developers use ChatGPT to create HTML pages, design websites using CSS, write JavaScript functions, and build React or Angular applications. It can also generate responsive login pages and forms. ChatGPT for SQL. Database developers use ChatGPT to write SQL queries. It helps create tables, insert data, write join queries, and optimize database performance. For example, you can ask it to write a query to find the second highest salary. ChatGPT for testing. Software testers use ChatGPT to generate test cases, write automation scripts, and prepare bug reports. It also helps in Selenium, API testing, and JUnit testing. ChatGPT for DevOps. DevOps engineers use ChatGPT to learn Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Git, and CI or CD pipelines. It explains Linux commands and helps solve deployment issues. ChatGPT for cloud computing. Cloud engineers use ChatGPT to understand AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. It explains cloud services in simple language and helps with cloud architecture. Documentation. Writing documentation is an important part of the software development. ChatGPT helps generate project documents, API documentation, release notes, and meeting summaries quickly. Debugging. When your program gives an error, ChatGPT can explain why it happened. It also suggests possible solution and sometimes even provides corrected code. This saves a lot of debugging time. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering means writing clear and detailed questions. A simple prompt gives a simple answer. A detailed prompt gives a better and more accurate answer. Always be specific about what you need. Prompt examples. Here are some useful prompts. Explain object-oriented programming with examples. Generate SQL interview questions. Create Selenium test cases. Explain REST API. Create resume for a Java fresher. These prompts help you learn faster. Interview preparation. ChatGPT is an excellent interview preparation tool. It helps you practice HR questions, technical questions, coding problems, and mock interviews. It can also improve your communication skills and resume. Daily workflow. A software engineer can use ChatGPT throughout the day. In the morning, understand project tasks. During coding, generate or improve code. While testing, debug errors. During meetings, summarize notes. At the end of the day, prepare documentation. Advantages. ChatGPT has many advantages. It works 24 hours a day. It gives quick answers. It increases productivity. It helps beginners learn faster and professionals work more efficiently. Limitations. Although ChatGPT is powerful, it is not perfect. Sometimes it gives incorrect or outdated information. Always verify important answers and test any generated code before using it. Best practices. Use ChatGPT wisely. Write clear prompts. Always verify the answers. Test the generated code. Never share your company's confidential information with AI tools. Continue learning on your own instead of depending completely on AI. Future of ChatGPT. The future of AI is very exciting. Software engineers will increasingly work with AI to write code, automate testing, analyze data, and build applications faster. AI will not replace skilled developers, but developers who know how to use AI will have a strong advantage. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this session helped you understand how ChatGPT is used in the software industry. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Viha Tech Academy. Stay tuned for more videos on AI, programming, and IT career guidance. Thank you and see you in the next video.